In this video, I'll show you how to check the battery health of your MacBook Air M4. Go on the top left corner, click on the Apple logo, then go down and select System Settings. From here, you're going to select Battery on the left side menu. And then right over there on the top, you see Battery Health. This is a new MacBook Air, so of course it's new, so it's normal. And then click on the eye icon. Here you're going to have all the information that is currently available. So you have battery condition, then you have maximum capacity. Over time this goes down the more you use it. Again, since this is a new computer, it's at 100%. But I won't be surprised that in 2 or 3 years this goes down to 90% or 89%, and since all batteries degrades over time. And finally, you have optimized battery charging. I suggest you keep it on. Mac will learn what time of the day you prefer charging your laptop and will adjust so the battery health stays the best through the life of your computer if you turn this on. But overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.